Hi guys, this is John here. As part of this section, we will look at an important concept called profit and loss, cost and revenue. Now, in the previous section, I explained to you a concept called ROAS, or return on ad spend, which is basically the return that you get for marketing. Let us go ahead and look at an important concept, which is cost and revenue. So in the previous sections, we've looked at cost. For example, you have R&D cost. Let us say you hired 3 R&D folks at the cost of 30,000 rupees a month. So into 12 months, which is a total of 10,80,000 rupees. And then we saw that you need to rent a place, and that costs 40,000 per month into 12 months. So that is 4,80,000 rupees. And then there was the web development cost. So let us assume that that would have costed you 1,20,000 rupees. So that's 1,20,000. And then the maintenance cost for your website, if you remember from the previous section, let us assume that is 2,000 rupees into 12 months. So that is 24,000 rupees. So now all of these costs a total of 17,04,000 rupees. And now this cost is the cost that you will incur during the year. Now let us say you did a marketing campaign on Facebook and you spent 5 lakh rupees on marketing with an ROAS, or return on ad spend, of 2. So your total income would be approximately 10 lakh rupees. And now if you see that your cost here itself is 17,04,000 rupees plus this marketing cost. So I will also add my marketing cost here at 5 lakh rupees. So your total cost is 22,04,000 rupees. And your revenue is just 10 lakh rupees. So now if your revenue is less than your cost, or in other words, your cost is greater than your revenue, then we call that a loss situation. Means your company has lost money. In very simple words, it has spent more money than what it received. Call it what you want. In very simple words, money went from your pocket. On the other hand, you did some magic, and I'm not going to tell you what that magic is because I want you to try that on your own in the Entrepedia platform. If your revenue is greater than your cost, that, my friends, is called as profit. And when profit comes, means money is coming in your pocket rather than going from your pocket, and this is a situation that you want to create. So in very simple terms, you need to understand, first you need to understand what is my cost. Second, what is my revenue? How do I make my revenue? And on the Entrepedia platform, we say that you can make revenue through marketing. And based on a concept that we discussed called ROAS, or return on ad spend, you can see how much revenue you will make. And based on that, how many products or services you will sell. So you have to make sure that your revenue is greater than your cost, and that, my friends, is called as a profit. So let us say you started company A and you went through the entire journey, and at the end of the day your revenue was 15 lakh rupees. I'm just taking an example. And your cost was 10 lakh rupees. So can you tell me how much is your profit? So it's 15 minus 10, which is equal to 5 lakh rupees, which is 5. Now let us say company A was started by two guys, John and Jim. And in our previous discussion, you must have seen the concept of stake or shares that we had seen. And let us say that John owns 60% of the company and Jim owns 40% shares. So now this profit that we saw, this profit, which is equal to 15 minus 10, which is 5 lakhs, is divided in this ratio. So John will get 3 lakh rupees, which is 60% of 5 lakhs, and Jim, can you guess, will get 2 lakh rupees. So at the end, profit is divided between the owners of the company. So this is the concept that I would like you to understand. So now what you need to understand on the Entrepedia platform is that there is a cost for your company, and that cost you cannot run away from, because if you don't do R&D, there is no product, there is no service. If you cannot pay rent, you don't have a place. If you don't have a website, people will not know about your product. If you can't maintain your website won't survive. If you don't do marketing, then there is no revenue, you're dead. So keeping all these factors into account, now I want you to understand that to make a profit, go ahead and put in the values in the Entrepedia calculator and play around with values, get an understanding of how do you reach to a point where you can make a profit. So go ahead and do that. So one hint that I might want to give you is don't run the company just for 1 year. Okay. I won't tell you why. Well, you go ahead and play around with the Entrepedia platform, you'll get a sense. So go ahead and put in values, enter your marketing spend, see what kind of revenue numbers you get. And you have to also be careful of the selling price of your product. And that's another thing I want you to play around with. So I hope this section was clear in terms of what is a profit, what is a loss. And I know I am keeping certain details away from you because I want you to find out and evaluate and explore those concepts by trying this on your own. So again, I would like you all to go ahead and try out the Entrepedia platform, play around with some values, try it on your own and accept the challenge and conquer it to make a profit. Okay, guys. So I hope this section was clear. Good luck with profit making. I hope this was clear. Thank you.